So in this question, we are asked to find and correct the error in the following mathematical statement. So first part is 4x minus 5 equal to 4x minus 5. So as we know, the left hand side, like we have something 4 multiplied with bracket, that is x minus 5. So when we open the bracket, so that will give us 4x. First we multiply 4 with x and then we multiply 4 with minus 5. That will give us minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 20. So uh, the right hand should be like 4x minus 20 instead of 4x minus 5. So the second part is like x 3x plus 2 and that is equal to 3x square plus 2. Okay, in the left hand side, like we have two factors that are getting multiplied, x and 3x plus 2. So when we open the bracket, we have x multiplied with 3x plus 2 multiplied with x. So x multiplied with 3x will give us 3x square and 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x. So here we should have 2x instead of 2. The third part, like we have 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 5xy. So here, like as you can see, uh, we are adding two terms and both have different variables x and y. So and here like we have just taken the product of these two. So this is incorrect, and 2x plus 3y will be equal to 2x plus 3y, and these terms won't be multiplied. In the fourth part, we have x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. So here we have three terms and they are similar terms, like terms, because the variable is x. So as the variable is x, we can add the coefficient. Coefficient is 1 from here, 2 from here, and 3 from here. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is give us 6, and the variable is x. So the left hand side is 6x. So the right hand should be 6x instead of 5x. For the fifth part, we have 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y, that is equal to 0. So here, like as you can see, we have like terms. All the variable is 5, and we need to add the coefficients. Coefficients are 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 7. So that is 8 plus minus 7 is 1. So the left hand side is basically y. So the right hand should be like y instead of 0. For the sixth part, we have 3x plus 2x, that is equal to 5x here. Here, like we are adding the like terms, and the variable is x. And here, like we are just like getting the multiplying. So here, like the coefficient will add up, and the answer should be like 5x instead of 5x square. So that should be what should come in the right hand side. In the seventh part, like we have 2x whole square plus 4 2x plus 7, and that is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 7. Okay. So here, like when we opening this 2x whole square, so it will be 4x square, and here like 4 multiplied by 2x will be 8x and plus 7. As we can see, in the right hand side, we have 2x square is given, so that should be like 4x square. 8x is correct, 7 is correct. So we should have like 4x square plus 8x plus 7 in the left hand side, sorry, right hand side. For the eighth part, we have 2x whole square plus 5x, that is equal to 4x plus 5x, that is equal to 9x. So let's first open this. So 2x whole square is 4x square plus 5x. Now 4x square and plus 5x, so these are not like terms, these are unlike terms because the variable is x square and the here variable is x. So we cannot simply add the coefficient just like we did in the right hand side. So the answer remained like this, 4x square plus 5x. For the ninth part, we have 3x plus 2 whole square, and that is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Let's open the left hand side and see 3x whole square plus 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 2 plus 2 whole square, that will give us 9x square plus 6 and 12 x plus 4. As you can see, like um, the coefficient of x square is incorrectly like marked wrong. That should be 9. And also the coefficient of x should be 12 instead of 8. So that should be what should come in the right hand side. So in the next part, like we are told ki substituting x equal to minus 3 in x square plus 5 x plus 4 give us 15. So let's first write this. So here, like if we substitute minus x as minus 3, so this will be x minus 3 raised to 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 4. So here, like minus 3 raised to 2 is 9 and 5 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 15. So this should be minus 15 and plus 4. So it should give us 13 minus 15, that is minus 2. So the answer should for the A part should be minus 2 instead of 15, which is wrong. For B part, we have x square minus 5x plus 4. So let's substitute minus 3. So that will be minus 3 square, then 5 minus 3 plus 4. So minus 3 raised to 2 is 9, and minus 5 multiplied by minus 3 will give us 15 plus 4. So that will give us 9 plus 15, 24 plus 4, that is 28. The answer should be 28 instead of minus 2. For the C part, like we are given x square plus 5x, and if we substitute x as minus 3, so that would be 9 minus 15, and it should be like minus 6. So instead of minus 24, it should give us minus 6. So in the next part, like we're given y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 9. Okay, so let's take the y minus 3 whole square, and y square minus 9 can be written as y plus 3 and y minus 3. So now as you can see, like the left hand side is like product of y minus 3 and y minus 3, and the right hand side is product of y plus 3 and y minus 3. So it cannot be true, and that is why this plus 3 should be minus 3. For the 12th part, we are given z plus 5 whole square is equal to z square plus 25. So let's expand this z plus 5 whole square. That is z square plus 10z plus 25. So the left hand side we have z square plus 10z plus 25, but in the right hand side we only have z square plus 25. So we need to add this plus 10z to the right hand side. In 13th part, we have 2a plus 3b, and that a minus b multiplied by a minus b equal to 2a square minus 3b square. So let's simplify or calculate the left hand side. So we have 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b square. So 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. So that is the like what we get like when we solve the left hand side. But in the right hand side, like we can see, like we only have 2a square and minus 3b square. We don't have ab, so we need to add ab. In the 14th part, we have a plus 4, and that is getting multiplied with a plus 2. So let's calculate this left hand side. So this is a square plus 6a plus 8. And in the right hand side, we only have a square plus 8. So we need to add 6a. In the 15th, so we have a minus 4 and a minus 2, and that is equal to a square minus 8. So let's solve this. So this will give us a square minus 6a plus 8. So here, like we need to first add minus 6, and minus 8 should change to plus 8. So that is like what we need to do to the left hand side, right hand side. For 16th part, we have 3x square divided by 3x square, and that is equal to 0. So as you can see, like both numerator and denominator are same. So they will basically cancel, all the factor will cancel, and that will give us 1. So the right hand side should be 1 instead of 0. The 70th part we have 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square, and that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. So let's write it like this: 3x square divided by 3x square plus 1 plus 3x square. So here this part is 1. So when we solve this 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square, so we get 1 plus 1 upon 3x square, and that is not equal to 1 plus 1 or 2. So we should have, like, instead of 1 plus 1, we should have 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. Let's solve the 18th part. 18th part is 3x divided by 3x plus 2 equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So let's divide, like, okay, let's divide, like, the left hand side of all the numbers by 3x. So that will give us 1 upon 1 plus 2 by 3x. So as you can see, like, 1 upon 1 plus 2 by 3x, and that is not equal to 1 upon 2, because that means this 2 by 3x is 1. So instead of this 1 by 2, we should have this expression. So let's divide, like, the left hand side, all the numbers by 3. So we have 1 upon 4 by x, 4x by 3 plus 1. So here, as you can see, like, if you compare to the right hand side, like, the numerator is same, but the denominator, like, we have 4x by 3 plus 1, whereas it is shown as 4x. So basically we should change the 4x to 4x by 3 plus 1, and then only, like, we can have the same equal, like, both the sides should be equal. 20th part we have 4x plus 5 divided by 4x, that is equal to 5. So let's divide the left hand side all terms by 4x. That will give us 1 plus 5 by 4x. As you can see, like, this is not equal to 5. The left hand side is not equal to 5. So this should be what, what we'll get when we solve the left hand side. The 21st is, like, 7x plus 5 divided by 5, and that is equal to 7x. So let's divide by 5 first. As you can see, like, this term is definitely bigger than 7x. Well, this term is definitely different from 7x, and this should be, like, what should come in the right hand side.